The 2004 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, running boards, power driver's seat, power steering, front air conditioning, cruise control, anti-theft security system, AM/FM stereo radio, rear window defrost, trip odometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.